Can incorrect array indexing lead to off-by-one loop errors? Imagine writing a loop to process a list of items, but somehow it skips the last one or tries to access an element that isn't there. That's often caused by incorrect array indexing. When you work with arrays, most programming languages start counting from 0. So, the first element is at position 0, and the last one is at position 1 less than the total number of elements. If your loop runs from 0 to the total number of elements, including that number, it will go one step too far. For example, if you have an array with 10 items, the last index is 9. If your loop condition says less than or equal to the length of the array, it will try to access index 10, which doesn't exist. This is a classic off-by-one error. It happens because the condition is not correctly set to stop before the array boundary. Sometimes, programmers forget that array indices start at 0, leading to off-by-one mistakes. These errors can cause the program to crash or behave unexpectedly. They are also common when counting items or setting loop start and end points. For instance, if you want to process all elements, your loop should run from 0 up to, but not including, the array length. Using strict less than conditions helps prevent out-of-bounds errors. Also, double-check your start and end values to match the array size. When working with strings, which are arrays of characters, forgetting to leave space for the null terminator can cause similar errors. To fix these issues, always verify your array size and index calculations. Make sure your loop condition matches the array's indexing scheme. Using debugging tools or assertions can catch out-of-bounds access during development. Remember, understanding how array indexing interacts with loop boundaries is key to avoiding off-by-one errors. Careful attention to these details makes your code more reliable and easier to troubleshoot.